Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And today we're going to make cornmeal pudding. So guys, I have a coconut over here. I'm going to break it and cook and grate it. I have my nutmeg here, cornmeal. I have half a cup of flour, vanilla and almond. So guys, I'm going to break my coconut. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'm going to... Okay guys, I'm gonna blend my coconut. I'm gonna add some warm water so I could get all the juice out of my coconut. Guys, I'm gonna turn on. Okay guys, so my coconut is almost finished blending. I'm gonna stop the blender right now and I'm gonna strain it out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna juice my coconut out. I'm gonna do it twice. Lay this aside. Guys, when you use the water warm to juice the coconut, you get a lot of juice out of it. But guys, I'm gonna juice it again. I'm gonna squeeze it out again. So okay guys, I'm finished juicing my coconut. See how rich and nice the juice is? White and nice. So guys, when it's cold, try juice your coconut with warm water. Not hot water, warm water. And then you will get all the juice from it, okay guys? So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna start sweetening my coconut juice. Okay guys, I'm gonna sweeten my coconut milk. I'm gonna add my vanilla, my nutmeg, and my almond to this in. So I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's your almond. I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar, okay guys? And my nutmeg here, I just grated it, freshly grated. So I'm gonna sweeten it and taste it. Okay guys, I'm gonna a little bit of salt, just a little dash. Okay, that's it. Not too much. Okay guys, I'm gonna let it stay with 2 cups of sugar. It's okay. You want nothing too sweet. Too much sugar, no good. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna get my cornmeal and my flour together. Okay guys? So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I'm gonna measure my cornmeal. I'm gonna do 6 cups. Guys, I'm adding my flour. I had half a cup of flour. Just for tightening the agent. So I'm gonna dry my whisk. Let's slurp this one. And the little cinnamon guys is inside. Just for give it more flavor and make it more rich. So guys, I'm gonna preheat my oven. As my oven is preheated, I'm gonna mix up this in the meanwhile. Make sure the flour doesn't have any lumps on my cornmeal before I start adding my liquid. So guys, I'm gonna start adding my liquid a little bit at a time. Guys, I want you to comment and tell me if you still make cornmeal pudding. I remember when I used to go to school in Chambers, I used to make cornmeal pudding to sell at school every day. Cornmeal pudding, sweet potato pudding, archie. You name it, I used to sell what they call now, cheese chip. We used to call it cheese chip and ping pong in those days. Used to sell ping pong and cheese chip at school. Gosh, those days were nice. At least we were living by nature in those days. Everything we eat we freshly made, you know. When we buy in the store, we don't even know when they made it. They put a date on it and tell us, oh, it was made on this date. We don't know what we eat in these last days. So guys, send me a comment if you still make your cornmeal pudding and if you make it the way I make it, okay guys? Okay guys, I'm gonna grease my dashpot with a little bit of butter. Put a little bit of paper so I'm going to use it. Put it a little bit warm. I'm going to grease it with the butter and warm the pan a little bit. So now I'm going to take it out. My pan is finished greasing and I just use butter, okay guys? Now I'm going to add my liquid to my pan, my dashpot, to put in the oven. So guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven for half an hour, but in between half an hour I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna show you what's going on. So stay tuned guys and see you in maybe 25 minutes. I'll come back and show you what's going on, okay guys? So join with me while I bake my cornmeal pudding. Guys, I add some butter to the top to make it some gravy and I'm gonna add a little bit of juice. I use a spoon. So don't make mess. I'm gonna add a little bit more juice because I need that glamorous on the top, so that is why I'm doing this. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven guys and I'll see you in another 20 minutes. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, so my pudding is big. I'm gonna cut a slice now and see how it is, if I have the glamorous grimaces. I'm gonna see if I have the grimaces on the top. So I'm gonna cut a slice. It's still warm. So guys, this is my cornmeal pudding with my grimaces on the top. Very nice guys, soft and nice. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching us from guys. And guys, I want you to interact with the page please, so we can get more viewers. So thank you for watching guys, and see you guys in our next video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. God bless.